Hello backers, and basically warm welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for this video we're going to be making prawn and cherry tomato pasta. But before we get to it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and because that certainly helps with the algorithm. Okay, right, so what you need for this recipe is around about 20 cherry tomatoes, one chopped up spring onion, some parsley and basil, some prawns. I've put some slightly more than what is supposed to be in the recipe, because these are not normal prawns, they are jumbo prawns. Some 350 grams of pasta and 200 milliliters of double cream and 50 grams of salted butter. Okay, so we need to have a pan of boiling water. Okay, so once the water is boiling, just add the pasta to the water and cook for around about 8 minutes. Okay, so you just need to remember to just stir it around every now and then. Okay. So as the pasta is cooking, we're going to saute the prawns. So yeah, let's sprinkle some olive oil. Yeah. Okay. Of course, don't forget to add the butter. Okay, so after the prawns have been sauteed for about a couple of minutes, add the cream and the tomatoes like so, and Alexa, stop. Cream and tomatoes like so. And cook for round about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, take a look at that, all bubbling away. Okay. Right, so after around about 5 minutes, I'm going to add some seasoning. Okay, so add a little bit of the parsley and the basil. Add a little bit of the basil as well. Okay, so I'm going to stir in the pasta until it's all coated. Okay, there you have it. There's your prawn and cherry tomato pasta. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do please consider liking and subscribing this video and adding a comment. Also, so please do check my other social media links down below in the description. And also, please remember, whether or not you're autistic and you're interested in learning how to cook, do remember, I have your back.